You guys how much I'm loving constant contact for my email messages. Now let me show you one of the things I love about it. So here I was able to create a monthly newsletter simply by dragging and dropping content blocks into the newsletter. And as you can see here, everything I have here is over here. So there's the coupon block, I've got the image and text block. Here, this is just simply the 3 images. I've got everything I needed in here. Now watch this. I go to check and preview. By the way, I built this today with absolutely no instruction. I didn't need any training. I just started dragging and dropping. It was very intuitive, easy to use. Now watch this. I'm going to preview it. And this I absolutely love. Not only can you email it to yourself to test it, you can see what it looks like on a desktop, but then you can also see what it looks like on mobile. And you have to remember that more people are opening these on mobile than they are on a desktop. So you want to see, what does that look like? Looks absolutely amazing. And then what I can do is I can actually click each link and make sure that it works. I think that is so important. In fact, I just did that and discovered one of my links wasn't right. So I can go through one by one, just click the preview, and you can test all of the links. I have a free trial for you for Constant Contact, a free 30-day trial. In the description below, you're going to find a link to Constant Contact. Click that link and go ahead and set up your free trial. And as always, I am an affiliate marketer. I specialize in marketing and make affiliate commissions when somebody makes a purchase through one of my links. So if you do wind up making a purchase through one of my links, I probably benefit financially or in some way. So check this out. Unbelievable, super easy. What I think I'll also do is make a tutorial on exactly how I built this newsletter, but today I want to go ahead and get this out. So check it out, link below.